Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, pag-usapan natin yung isa sa pinaka-interesting na features sa Cross ecosystem right now, Cross Prediction. Kung mahilig ka sa mabilisang decisions, market predictions, at exciting challenges, baka magustuhan mo to. So paano nga ba gumagana ang Cross Prediction? Let's talk about it. So basically, Cross Prediction is a prediction market platform created by Cross DeFi. The idea is simple. You look at Bitcoin, then you decide BTC up or BTC down. And that's the challenge. Simple siyang maintindihan, pero exciting dahil bawat prediction may decision-making involved. Kaya kahit bago ka pa lang sa ecosystem, madali kang makakasabay. Ang isa sa mga gusto ko dito is yung simplicity. Hindi mo kailangan ng super complicated setup. Hindi mo rin kailangan maging crypto expert para masubukan yung feature. You make your prediction, wait for the result, then see if tama yung market read mo. And honestly, yun yung nakakatuwang part. It's quick, interactive, at hindi overwhelming para sa beginners. And beyond the fun side, Cross Prediction also gives users another way to interact with the ecosystem. Instead na puro observe lang, nagiging active participant ka. Mas na-explore mo yung platform, mas nakikilala mo yung ecosystem, at mas nagiging engaging yung overall experience. Kaya understandable kung bakit isa ito sa mga featured campaigns ngayon. So ayun guys, that's a quick look at Cross Prediction. Would you choose BTC up or BTC down? Comment your answer below. And if gusto nyo pa ng more cross content, tutorials, and ecosystem updates, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.